Hi everyone. Uh, this is an introduction video. This will tell you more about my YouTube channel, who I am. So let's begin. My name is Raj Prajapati. I am a professional investor and trader. So I started my investing journey in 2007, in October 2007 to be precise. We were looking at a very rip-roaring bull market. Stocks were almost doubling every 3 to 4 months. Great time to be in the markets. So my investing journey started in October 2007, and just like everyone else, I started trading with futures. Yes. So I made a lot of money. I started with around 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees in 2007, October 2007. I quickly turned it into around 15 to 16 lakh rupees, in the next 3 4 months. Uh, and as they say, no trader like a new and dumb trader. So after making so much money so quickly, I became so confident, and I thought, I am on top of the world. I'm going to conquer it all with my naive, you know, brain, thinking that I know everything about investing. Uh, I lost all of that money in the 2008 global financial crisis crash. I was left with around 50, 60,000 rupees after I liquidated all my positions. That was a great learning for me, especially why? Because I believe if you have a big fall and a wipeout in your portfolio as soon as you enter the market, it teaches you some very humbling lessons. It humbles you down. That is one. You have to be very humble in the market. So in my past 14 years of journey in the market, I've realized one thing, that risk has to be measured all the time. I always approach every trade from a risk on perspective, and I always like to be humble. I don't like to be overconfident in the market, and I approach everything with utmost humility. Yes, there are times when you become overconfident, but I try and bring myself back, you know, to the earth, and don't consider myself as somebody who knows it all, or you know. So that was that's how I started 2007-8. Lost all my money. Then I started on a learning journey. I slowly started learning. Most of my learnings have come from literal observations of the market rather than from reading books. I'll be very honest with you. I have observed the markets very closely. I have gathered data on a day-to-day basis. I have read a lot about macro movement, how the economy is moving. Obviously, there is no economy and markets don't run in tandem. Markets are always forward-looking. But most of my learnings have come from observing the market very closely on a day-to-day basis. So, give you a little background. I prior to becoming a full-time investor in 2014, I used to run a recruitment company, and there came a point of time in my life where I realized that I want to pursue investing as a full-time career. So I transitioned out of my business. I closed down my recruitment business, and I moved into full-time investing. Now, my recruitment business really helped me to sort of lay out the foundation of my investment, long-term investment career, because in my recruitment process, I used to um, basically I had a flow of how I used to recruit candidates. What was the way in which I used to find them? So there was a process, and that process sort of helped me in sort of setting up a process for my investment trading process up until now. So for my long-term investment, I have learned a lot from many, many investing principles and books. So I closely follow Warren Buffett, Michael Mauboussin, Peter Lynch. Okay. On the Indian front, I closely listen to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. I closely follow him. I listen to Basant Maheshwari. From the PMS front, Saurabh Mukherjee, Sunil Singhania, Kenneth Andrade. Then there is Sage One PMS. I'm forgetting the name of that person. I'm really sorry. So these are some brilliant guys on on our PMS side who I listen to very closely and follow them very closely, and I've learned a lot from these guys over a period of time. I've formulated my own long-term investment strategy. Um, in the coming weeks and months, I will probably make a video to share my investment strategy. And prior to recruitment, I used to assist my father. We had a family business. We used to run a plastics recycling unit. So yeah, so that's about me. What am I going to share on my channel? I'll be making, I'll be sharing my investment ideas. I'll be sharing my overall market analysis, stock analysis, upcoming, opportunities in short-term trading, short-term investment analysis, economy analysis, microeconomy analysis. So my watch list, the stocks that I am watching, my portfolio stocks that are part of my long-term portfolio, medium-term portfolio, my swing portfolio. Please do not consider any of my video as a recommendation to buy or sell stocks. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. The idea of this YouTube channel is only to share my knowledge and share the information that I have in front of me and what information do I use to uh, take my investing decisions. So so that's about it, guys. I'm just going to share a couple of screenshots from my swing portfolio. So to make you understand that I'm a serious trader, I just don't talk the talk. I walk the talk. If you see the date here, it's the 25th of May 2021, which is today, 11:55 a.m. This screenshot was taken at 11:55 a.m. So these are the stocks that I am holding in my short-term swing portfolio. These are the stocks that I am holding. These stocks starting from Newland, these are the stocks from my long-term portfolio. So, as a professional, I like to be transparent with you guys. So I'm showing a screenshot of what positions I am carrying. Whatever I speak on my channel, I have a position in most of those stocks. I'll share another screenshot from my other portfolio. This is my other portfolio. Some of the stocks are similar from the previous screenshot, and you will see that these are the stocks I am holding in my short-term portfolio. So you're going to you will be expecting very professional, uh, you know, uh, sort of knowledge sharing stuff over here. I'm not one of those guys who doesn't trade or doesn't buy, and he just gives buy sell recommendations on YouTube. I'm a professional. I do it in a very organized manner. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. Hoping to add some value to your knowledge, and hoping that we all can grow together. Thanks a lot.